And biotech company Moderna launched phase 3 of its coronavirus vaccine trial today with 30,000 participants here in the United States. The goal is to see if the test shots actually work. Volunteers will either get a real shot of the drug or a placebo. After 2 doses, scientists will closely track which group experiences more infections. The company says it remains on track to be able to deliver about 500 million doses of a vaccine per year if the trial is successful. Also, Moderna has received an additional $472 million from the U.S. government to support development of its vaccine. And, there's almost 400 million people in the United States, 500,000, or 500 million. Okay, never mind. So we'll be all right. That's a lot. I mean, that would potentially be a game changer on this. And as long as it has not mutated and it is effective, I think this would be a huge deal, and this would be hopefully very, very good for the sort of prognosis of society throughout this entire calamity that has been the COVID-19 pandemic. I will say, for 30,000 people who are actually going to be doing this study, the chance that somebody in our viewing area is doing it, I guess, is higher than before. So I'm very curious. I don't know if people can talk about that, but I would love to hear from somebody who's doing the vaccine, what they think about it, if they think they, because if you got the vaccine, for instance, right, this is my question. If you thought you maybe had it, would you feel better about going out into the world and just doing stuff? But maybe you don't know. Maybe it's the placebo. You don't know.
I've told you guys a lot that I listened to Dr. Drew, and he said he tried to sign up to be first in line with this. That's how confident he is in this company's ability and the research they've done. He was like, put it in me now. I want to be one of the test subjects. I am so confident in the research and the science. So that's just one person. And apparently a lot of people agree, because the stock price of Moderna shot through the roof today with all these announcements. So a lot of people are very hopeful.